Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this session we are looking into the topic missing number in figures for SSC CGL exam. Okay. Now before we go further, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the notifications of all the videos that we upload in our channel. Right. Okay, now the directions: find the missing terms in the given figures. So always keep in mind the options. Options always helps us identify the logic in a easier way and a more effective way. Now if you look at here, observe what is happening is you cannot take it as a consecutive numbers because they are all some random numbers. See, if I start taking consecutive as 3, 7, 6, 4, again 9, so it is increasing, decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. So it's not about like that, but instead if you observe here, see the number that is opposite 3 and 9, I can say 3 times or you can also say square, but look at the number opposite to 4. So instead of saying 3 times or 4 times, you can say it as a square, correct? So 3 and this is 3 square, you have 4 and this is 4 square. Likewise you have 7 and this is 7 square. So now you have a 6, what is it that you get here? So it has to be 6 square, and 6 square we have is 36, correct? So 36 will be our answer. Third option, okay? So we have n square is the logic. A number opposite to that is a square of it. Okay, now coming to the next, yeah. So now here, obviously where the question mark is, accordingly you will have to take. That means I have to make use of the numbers within this quadrant to find the number outside of that particular quadrant. Take these 3 numbers, you need to know how do I get 12. Take these 3 numbers, we need to know how do I get 7, because the question mark is outside, correct? So you have 6, 4, 8 and I need to get a 9 out of it. So we take addition first. If I add 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, I am getting 18. Okay, by 2, will I not get 9? Yes. Try the others. We have 9 plus 8 plus 7 by 2. So 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 by 2, you get 12. Do I not have that? Yes. So likewise, you can do this orally also. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 by 2, 7. So we do the same now. 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 by 2, how much it is? 9. So choice 2. So if I take this as A, B, C and then D, then you can say that it is A plus B plus C by 2 is going to give you D. That is the logic. Okay. Choice 2. Then next here, see, look at the question mark that is at the base. So we need to see how can I take the numbers and try to get the base value. Now here if you check the complete triangles, so we have 12, 6 and 9. So what I can do is, you have 12, 6 and 9. So I can say 12 plus 6 by 2. Because it is 18 by 2 gives you 9. Is it happening everywhere else? 6 plus 2, 8 by 2, 4. 3 plus 7, 10 by 2, 5. Correct? So now we have 4 plus x by 2 is 3. What is the x value? So you take it onto the other side, gives you 6 minus 4, which is 2. So the answer will be 2. The x value is 2. Correct? Yeah. Then next, now here wherever the question mark is, always take it as the right hand side number. Now I need to use these 2 numbers to get the third number. So how do I get it? I can simply take 6 plus 7 equals 13. Likewise 8 plus 4 equals 12. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So 3 plus 9 equals, the answer will be 12. correct? Third option. So if I take this as A, B and C, so it is A plus B is giving you C. That's the logic. Okay. Then, yeah, now you have a question mark in the center. So I need to make use of the 4 numbers to get the middle number. So what can I do? So here, if I add, suppose everything, so I have 6 plus 4, 10 and 4 plus 3, 7. So 17 you are getting. So no, it cannot be that. Because if I add here 7 plus 4, 11, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 11, I am getting 22. By adding all the numbers, I am getting 22. Here by adding all of them, I am not getting 2. So it's not about complete addition. So we need to take, multiplication and subtraction. If it is not complete addition, because here complete addition is giving me my number, but here it is not giving. So we need to take the other operators, which is you multiply and then you try and subtract it. So let's see the multiplication. Let's say I take 3 and 4 as 12, 4 and 6 as 24. No, it's not working out. But if I take cross, so here 12 and 24 again I'm getting, here 12 and 24. So if I take cross, means let's say this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Okay, and this is E. So what do I get it here? So I am doing A into B, which is 3 into 6, 18, and here C into D, which is 4 into 4, I am getting 16. Okay, now I can do a subtraction. So I am getting that with this. Am I getting the same with that also? We will have to check. So A into B, which is 7 into 6 minus C into D, which is 5 into 4. So 42 minus 20. Yes, you are definitely getting 22. So this is the logic that we can look at. So if all additions are not working, then you will have to take product with subtraction. Okay, so we do the same. 9 into 4, 36 minus 5 into 5, 25. So 36 minus 25. So you will get 11. That's the option. Okay. Yeah. Then, okay, next here we have 2, 3 and 6. So you have a bigger number. See, these are very small numbers, but you have the result as a very big number. So maybe squares, addition with squares, let us check. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 plus 9, 13, 6 square is 36. 13 plus 36 is only 49. Correct? But here you have 59. Okay. So what about here 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So 3 square plus 4 square is 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25, only you are getting 50, but there you have 98. So it's not about the squares. Now can I take cubes? No, because 6 cube is 216 and 5 cube is 125. So it is not about that also. That means it is not, so don't treat this as a number. See 59, don't treat this as a number, now treat it as a digit. Now use these digits 3 and 2. When I add, how much will you get? 5. Now 3 and 6, when you add, how much will I get? 9. So those number, don't treat it as a number, use it as a digit. So same way, we have 5 and 4, when you add, you are going to get a 9, and 5 and 3, when you add, you are going to get a 8. Correct? Because if you look at the options, options also gives you ideas. See here we have 1310, 1113, 1311. So these are very big numbers. Correct? When I cannot take cubes here definitely I cannot take cubes. So we should not treat them as numbers, treat them as digits. So now what I can do? 7 and 6 when I add, you are going to get 13. And 7 and 4 if I add, you are going to get 11. So 13, 11. Choice 4 will be our answer. Okay. Right. Then, yes. Now we have question marks given at the both below quadrants. So what is it that I can do is, now try to look into like this. See, we have 7 and 3. When you add, you are getting how much? 10. And here 10 and 3 when you are adding. So let's say this 3 only is getting added here, you'll 13. Okay, but here what is happening? 4 plus 5 when I add. Yes, you are definitely getting a 9. But 9 and you have a 4 here. Correct? Am I getting 12? No. 9 plus 4 is 13. But here you have only 12. So instead, what I can do here is, instead of taking this number by adding, I'll simply take a number that is getting added, because earlier also I was adding 10 plus 3. Now also I am adding 10 plus 3. See, the logic has to be constant. Is it repeating? Yes. 1, here the 2 numbers are getting added to get the third number. Then you are adding a constant number 3. That's what I am going to do here. So here we are going to add these 2 numbers first. So you are going to get 13. And then I am going to add 3. So you will get 16. So am I having an option there? Yes, 13, 16. Choice 2. Okay. Right. Then, now you have alphabets also involved. So what is the place value of P? 16. What is the place value of Y? 25. Now as you can see, what is happening? The digits of that number are written like this. The first digit here, the second digit there. Now based on the options, what will I get? Now if I take R, R is 18, but you have a 2 there, not possible. But this R, if I take here, you have 18, so 1 is here, 8 is here. So R, 1. B cannot happen because B is only 2 and C is only 3. So I need an alphabet with a digit, and that happens only in the second option. If you have a 2-digit number, the place value should be 2 digits. Correct? Choice 2. Then we have DG, IF, okay, and then you have this question mark, okay. Now here D is a 4, G is 7, I is 9, F is 6, and then here B is 2, okay. Now you have 4 and a 7, yes. So what happens now? Take these place values and you multiply. 4 into 7 is how much? 28, correct? And here 9 into 6 is how much? 54. So the place values are multiplied to get the answer. Now we need a number when multiplied by 2. What is the number? We'll check. So we'll have to go option by option. R. So if I take R, R is 18. 18 into 2, you will get only 36, not 62. But what about next S? S is 19. 19 into 2. Yeah, I think that should be sufficient. S is 19. So 19 into 2, you get how much? 38. I do have S and 38. The next is R again. 18 into 2, you will get only 36. And then E, 5 into 2, you will get 10, not 8. So the only option that satisfies is the second option. So when we talk about missing number in the figures, you will be given some worked out example. We need to know where the question mark is, and accordingly we'll have to keep in mind the options given and get our answer. Okay? Right. Alright. So those were the questions you had in this particular topic of missing number in figures. So again, please do join or subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Time for Bank Exams, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for all the notifications of the videos we upload. And for all bank, SSC, CGL, insurance, railway and other related exams, you will find the information. And our other social media handles, this is the Telegram channel link, the YouTube channel link, Instagram and Facebook. And the links are also given in the description box below. And for classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/bank-ssc online. Okay, so thank you for attending the session. I hope we made some progress here. So that is it for in this session. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.